up, you guys? It's your girl Marley. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I prep my wig that I got from Amazon. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So to make the bleach, I am using my BW2 powder and my 30 volume developer. So starting off, especially if this is your first time, I always recommend by starting pouring the volume developer first and then adding the bleach as you go, because the consistency that you want to go for is something very similar to toothpaste. So here's the consistency after mixing it. As you guys can see, it's super thick, but not too thick. Here I'm just taking my Got2b glue spray and I'm just spraying the front of the hair so I could comb back any hair, any flyaways, so that they don't get into the bleach. So when adding the paste, you want to start adding it in the middle of the wig and just applying a little bit of pressure. Don't press it too much down into the cap, because you don't want your wig to over bleach. You just want the knots to get bleached. That's it. So apply it with a little bit of pressure, not too much pressure, so it doesn't get into the hair. After bleaching the hair for about 10 minutes, it was ready. I went ahead and washed it with shampoo and conditioned it with my silicone based conditioner, and then now I'm just pinning it down to the mannequin head so that I can start with the plucking process. So when it comes to plucking, the most important thing to me is your tweezer. You want a tweezer that is strong and sturdy, that also has a small tip, because having the wrong tweezer might rip the hair out of the scalp instead of pulling it out gently. So here, this is the tweezer that I'm using. I got this tweezer from Amazon. I love the tip. I love everything about it. It's a really, really good tweezer. When I'm plucking, I like to tweeze the hair into a dragging motion. So I'm picking up the hair and I'm dragging my hand. I'm dragging it out. Also, I like to section the hair, pluck it, and comb it as I go so I could keep track of the amount of hair I'm removing so that I don't accidentally bald a spot. So here I'm showing you guys the before and after. You could really tell the difference between both sides when the hair is plucked versus when the hair is not plucked. So here I'm just continuing with the plucking process. I'm plucking the front. This process could be very, very tedious, but it's all worth it. So the key to getting your wig to be super flat is by ironing it with the ironing comb. I did this off camera, but I'm just showing you guys how you do it. The reason why I did it off camera is because mine is not plugged to the it doesn't have an electrical cord in it. I have to use my stove. Then here I'm going ahead with my mousse. You could use whatever mousse you want, but I think this one is by the brand Olive. So I'm just putting mousse all over the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. So So here on this next clip, I'm just showing you guys me with the wig on. I did not record the process of me putting on the wig, but if you guys want to know, let me know in the comment below. Rate this wig and rate how well I did. Oh my god, I love the curls, they're so pretty. But yeah, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.